Welcome to Gardener Gone Wild, and here we have His Royal Highness King Teeny the First. He's, believe it or not, he's 8 weeks old and he's this tiny, but we have made progress. He is getting some feathers developing, which is wonderful, and he just loves being outside, and he is obsessed with eating worms at the moment, but otherwise anything that moves will do. He's tried to catch bumblebees, but we've had to stop that. So this is our little Teeny, our little monster, who is very behind in development, but not behind in the brain department. He's actually a pretty good ducky. He's very intelligent. He's actually more intelligent than his siblings. Teeny! Now I've let Teeny and his siblings out for a bit, and here we have these little monsters. Hello, Huey. Hello. And where are we? Ah, Teeny Weeny. Hello, you two. Hey, follow the leader. Good darlings. Oh dear. What is it with ducks and shells? Oh, we're having a good time here. I've just got to keep an eye on them because the other rather large ducklings, who just look like ducks now, they want to eat them. So we can't have eaten ducklings. They're having a ball. Hello, gorgeous. You go around and then you'll see your friends. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, I'm going to have to rescue a duckling. He really doesn't. Ah, come on. Good boy. Hello. What is it with kids and dirt? They seem to love eating it. Now I'm going to have to find that little Teeny. I can hear Teeny. Ah, I see Teeny. Right under the camellia bush. An excellent place to find worms and other bugs, which Teeny is obsessed about. Good Teeny.